Let me show you how I was able to fix this in my Windows 10. How to enable virtualization in Windows 10. Hi, welcome to Tech Tools, BlueStacks users. This video is also for you. Click on the Start button. On the search bar, type Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, click on it. Are you new to this channel? Click on the like button and subscribe. On this section, scroll below. Click on the option that says Virtual Machine Platform, and next, click OK. Scanning. This will take just some few minutes to complete. Please be patient. Do you know we have made other videos for members only? Click the Join button below. Pay a little fee and become a member now. Do you want to know how to run Android apps on your laptop? Then subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and check the description of this video. Applying changes. This is almost done. Please subscribe if you've not done so, and let me know if this first step works by leaving a comment below comment section. Click on the Restart option. Your laptop then restarts to apply changes. You can see my laptop is restarting and working on update. For everything to go smooth and in accordance, do not turn off your laptop during the process. My laptop is restarting. Please subscribe. It will encourage us to make more good contents like this one. Make sure you allow every process. Do not turn off computer. Getting Windows ready, guys. "100%. My laptop. Restart complete." Let's check if virtualization was enabled. Click on the Start button and search for Task Manager. Here is Task Manager. Click on it to open. Click on Performance. Now, below where it says Virtualization Fears also is disabled. Then follow the second step. The second step, restart your laptop. Please subscribe. This will encourage us to make more videos. When your laptop starts the restart process, immediately press the BIOS key. It can be F1 or F10. It depends. My BIOS has been locked with a password. Yours might not be this way. I just have to enter my BIOS password. Here is my BIOS. In most of the laptops or computers, the virtualization feature is in the Security tab, but mine is not there. Let me show you where it is. Go to the System Configuration tab. Next, Device Configuration. Scroll below. You can see the two options that says Virtualization Technology. Check them. Click on Save. Click on Yes. Now click Exit. Click on Yes to save changes. Your laptop then restarts on its own. Please subscribe, don't only watch. While waiting, I made a video on how to install BlueStacks on laptop. Please check in description. Windows is on. Let me input my password. To check if virtualization was enabled, do the method we did before. Click on Start. Search for Task Manager. Click on it to open. Click on Performance. Now, you can see virtualization is now enabled. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Also, use the link in description to join our WhatsApp group and ask us any question. We are always ready to assist. Thanks for watching.